Hello kids, let's go learning alphabet and number. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Next, number 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Good, you smart. Thank you, like and subscribe. See you.